Hello guys, we are currently in claim number 1179X681M. Again, that is claim number 1179X681M. Now what we're going to be doing is attempting to repair one of the affected shingles here. As you can see here that we have a wind crease shingle, and we're going to be attempting to do this repair, of course, using an insurance approved tool. There's a snake bar here, and we're going to try to do that without affecting any of these other shingles around its perimeter, being as gentle as possible, of course. Someone had came and resealed this. Okay, we're going to be as gentle as possible here. Now, one thing I would like to also mention is this ridge area that you can see completely blown off, and how we need, in order to properly repair this ridge, we need to remove all the ridge. You can see here a lot of this was blown back, and a lot of this is cracked when this one was blown back. So you see all of this is cracked here from this shingle being blown back so hard. So of course we need this whole ridge as well written up for there's no way of properly doing that repair without dismantling that whole ridge. It's all overlapping each other too, so it'll make sense for it all to be removed when doing that repair. But going back to the repair attempt here for the wind crease shingle, going back here on the repair attempt for the wind crease shingle here, of course the shingle starts here and it ends here. And like I mentioned, we're gonna be as gentle as possible. Now we need to go back and get all these nails. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nails we need to go back for. Now we do need to make sure all those nails are out of the perimeter and out of the way. If not, we won't be able to tuck in that new shingle, and we'll also have issues with nail pops. Okay, so we need to make sure all the nails are out of the perimeter. We have another one right here. Another one right here too. Again, we're being as gentle as possible here, but we need to make sure all the nails are out of the way. Again, we need to make sure all of them are out of the way. If not, we will be having nail pops here. There's one that's really jammed up here. Looks like we were getting a nail pop here. That was due to this nail. That was grabbing onto one of the shingles. It was also sticking out very long down here. Sorry guys, this is unfortunate. If we didn't remove this nail, we're gonna keep getting the snow pop. The nail pop was sticking out a lot, and there's no way we could tuck in that new shingle with that nail pop. Okay, so now we should be able to tuck in that new shingle. Guys, so it looks like we have all the nails out of the way. We were able to tuck in that new shingle now. Now we do try to use 3/4 inch nails here. What it helps us do is make sure we don't bring up the shingle up so high. We're being there as gentle as possible, but you can see I made a slight movement here with a hammer and it cracked the shingle right away. Since it cracked the shingles right away, you can see the condition of the shingle, and it shouldn't have gotten fractured that easily either. We do gotta make sure all the nails are back in place, especially the nails over the shingle. If we don't put these nails back, these shingles will easily be blown off. The ones right over it. Going to make sure all these nails are back in place. Okay guys, so we went ahead and installed the new shingle, and unfortunately there has been new creases that were created and new damages that were created when replacing the shingle. And then you can see the new creases that are right here. That one wasn't previously there. You can see that crease. There's another crease right here. This one got creased the most. We did accidentally hit the shingle here with a hammer, but even if we would have, if the shingle was in the condition to be repaired, it wouldn't have gotten that, it wouldn't have broken that easily, to be quite frank with you. Then another crease right here. So due to the condition of the shingle, I would not actually be able to warranty or repair on this client. And not only that, but I had mentioned the ridge wasn't mentioned. It should have been mentioned for wind damage as well, and that's why I would deem this roof non-repairable and would recommend a full roof replacement instead.